Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Starlink Mini, so let's jump into it. I'm mainly going to be using this for uploading YouTube videos while off the grid while I'm camping. But let's see what's in the box. Right off the bat, oh, there's another pull tab on this other side. Sorry about that. So there's 3 pull tabs, so make sure you get all 3. So let's open this up, and right off the bat you have 3 separate compartments here. This first one just has a mount right here, probably to mount it on a pole or anything else like that. Here's a power adapter to plug it into the wall, and then here's the main dish. Cool little unit. And then you got a little prop stand right here to prop it up. You also have the power and an Ethernet connection as well, so you just plug it in there or you have Ethernet run out of it. And then the last thing in there is some instructions, and then the cable. This is a really long cable, so if you want to run it really anywhere you can. Just gives you lots of flexibility with the cable. Now the box here at the top, you're going to have some instructions. I'm going to pull it down so you can see. This just shows you how to set it up. You got a QR code there as well. So you're going to want to plug it in, scan the QR code, set it all up. Really good information there. Like I said, this is just a quick unboxing, but you do have the main dish here that it comes with. And what I'm probably going to do with this is mount it inside my truck to use. And then it also comes with the power adapter, this little bracket here to mount it somewhere, and the cable. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you all next time.